Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce you to the glass storage jars set of 3, perfect for keeping your kitchen organized and stylish. These jars, each with a capacity of 25 ounces or about 750 milliliters, are crafted from high borosilicate glass and come with Acacia wood lids, ensuring durability and a touch of natural elegance. The jars are designed to withstand temperatures ranging from -4 to 302 degrees Fahrenheit, making them versatile for various storage needs, from coffee beans to nuts. The Acacia wood lids not only add a beautiful aesthetic but also come with a natural wood fragrance, while the larger silicone rings provide superior airtightness to keep your contents fresh. With their stackable design, these jars are easy to clean and help save space, making them an ideal addition to any kitchen or cabinet. Plus, each jar includes a label, making it simple to organize and identify your stored items at a glance. Whether you're storing coffee, cookies, or snacks, these top-notch organizers will keep your kitchen neat and tidy, adding both functionality and charm to your space. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.